Hey guys, Naturally Mark here. Welcome back to my channel. Before we get into this video, I see you, see me, so I want to see you. Press subscribe and become part of the fam bam. Okay guys, so I washed my hair out yesterday. You guys are going to hear my son because it's the next morning and I did lose a significant amount of hair. So I wanted to come back in here and show you how much hair I lost. And then I'm pretty sure my hair is still white and wet. And then I wanted to show you the style that I chose to put my hair in. But this is how much hair I lost after I showered and fully detangled. And this is how much hair I lost as I was taking my hair down. So they're about even amount of hair. It's not as much hair as I lost when I was in Atlanta, when I first experienced all of the shedding. I mean, like, together it's enough hair to almost make me freak out. And I did have like an anxiety attack in the bathroom as I was combing out my hair, just because remembering all the hair that came out in the bathroom when I was in Atlanta. I did have to stop and take a break as I was detangling my hair, because it was just like, oh my gosh, like, am I still gonna have hair on my head? And then I literally have to just remind myself in the mirror, and while I'm standing in the bathroom, it's like, it's just hair. I still have my life. I'm still healthy. It's just hair. There's so many options out here now if my hair do fall out like that. And then just remembering my mom had breast cancer and she had to shave off all of her hair. So I just really try to remind myself when I feel myself start panicking, like, oh my gosh, there's a lot of hair coming out. I just have to remind myself it's just hair, and don't freak out about it, because if you don't have the hair on your head, you still have your life. Everything is okay. But I didn't braid my hair for 8 weeks. I did count it, so it was 8 weeks that I didn't release the shed hair after the 6 weeks mark, after I braided my hair. So I know for sure I'm gonna have to braid my hair once a month. I cannot wait 8 weeks, because I had a lot of strings wrapped around themselves, and I feel like that kind of probably didn't help with the takedown. So I'm gonna kinky twist my hair once a month. But right now, this is the style that I put it in. I put it in and I didn't part my hair good enough because I used a really big shower comb. But I used my product, the cream that I showed you guys earlier. I know my hair is probably still white in some areas. I don't know how well you guys can see, because it looks pretty dark to me, but I just put my hair in 2 low buns. I can feel that my buns are still wet. There you go. I can most definitely feel that my buns are still wet. And then if I kind of want to clear up some of this white stuff, all I got to do is just take a blow dryer to it, because my cream, son, no growling, hold on, okay? It's the morning, I'm really trying to hurry up. But my hair cream actually has a lot more shea butter inside the formulation, so it's just not 2% shea butter and then the rest of it is just water. Like, I'm not, my hair needs all the nutrition that it can get. But I am so proud of my edges, y'all. Like, my edges is still intact. They are like, they look so good. And I got 1 gray hair, y'all. Like, since my hair has started growing back in, I got 1 gray hair. And I am that person that if I'm like 40 or whatever and my hair starts popping up more grays, I'm dyeing it black. I'm not being salt and pepper at no 40. But it was just so weird that I have 1 gray hair now. I'm not going to pluck it out. I'm not going to trip on it. But I will dye my hair if I need to. So I'm gonna put back on my my scarf for the rest of the day, just because I'm not gonna go anywhere and my hair at the bottom is still wet. I should probably leave it out, my head rag off, so my hair can probably dry at the bottom, but I don't know. I just leave it on for the time being. It's like -5 degrees here in Kansas, and it's snowing outside, and the wind ain't playing nobody's game. So I'm gonna leave this on. And yeah, am I disappointed with the amount of hair I lost? No, because my hair has been up for 3 months. I did take down each twist at the 6-week mark, and it was a lot easier, and I got a little cocky with how easy it was to take down my hair. So I most definitely know that I need the latest I can take down my hair to make it look fresh again is about a month, maximum 6 weeks, no later. And then just keep doing it like that. I do feel like the scalp is a lot thicker and the ends of my hair is a lot thinner, so I'm gonna just start cutting the hair off slowly, a little bit at a time. And like I said before, I am gonna have my sister-in-law part my hair before I leave, and I'm gonna blow dry it. So I'm gonna show you guys that process as well. So that is the amount of hair that I lost as a total. And yeah, once again, I will talk to you guys later. Bye. Bye. Good job, love.